What's the meaning of breast? Breast. Breast.
Breast. Breast. The term breast typically refers to the mammary glands of a female mammal, including humans. These glands are responsible for producing milk for offspring following pregnancy. In common vernacular, the term may also refer to the chest or upper torso region in general. Breast cancer is a common concern, and regular breast exams and mammograms are recommended for early detection. Overall, the term breast holds significant anatomical and social relevance, with both medical and cultural implications.